Is programming car keys hard? Honestly, not really. Even if you're a total beginner with zero experience, just follow along with us, and you'll pick up car key programming pretty easily. First, let's learn what a car key is made of and how car key programming actually works. 1. What makes up a car key? It has 3 elements: the mechanical blade, the remote section, and the chip. Car key programming is all about syncing or creating these 3 parts to work with the vehicle. 2. What gear you need to get started? For the mechanical side, you need a CNC key cutting machine. For the remote and the chip, you can use tools like VVDI, Max Pro, PDX4, Autel KM100 if you're new and just getting into key programming. Honestly, just the CNC key cutter and the VVDI Max Pro will let you handle around 80% of the cars you see. To unlock a vehicle door, you need things like quick open tools, leashy tools, single hooks, rods, and air wedges. The core concepts and the basic workflow of car key programming. The main idea is actually simple. Cut the mechanical blade, sync the remote, and program the chip. There are 2 basic programming scenarios. Scenario 1, you have a working key and want to add another. Adding a key is the easiest situation. For the mechanical blade, you just duplicate, cut, or mill it using a CNC cutter. For the chip and remote, use the appropriate programming tool to match it. And that's how you add a new key when you already have one. Scenario 2, no working key. No key jobs have one extra step. You need to unlock the vehicle first. Learning how to open a vehicle door is extremely important. To unlock doors, you'll use quick open tools, leashy tools, single hooks, rods, and air wedges. Most no-key cases happen when someone locks their keys inside, open the door, and retrieve them. The second situation is all keys lost. With no original key available, you unlock the door, decode the lock, cut a new blade, program the chip and the remote, and produce a brand new working key. Pretty simple, right? After hearing all this, you should now have a basic understanding of car keys and how key programming works. Is there anything else you want to learn? Follow and let us know. We'll walk you through more key programming knowledge and techniques, step by step.